The purpose of this video is to teach you how to use the future like a native in Japanese. Not only will I teach you how to say stuff like the weather will be nice, but more importantly, I will also touch upon the cultural background behind these structures. The future can be tricky in Japanese because the logic is a bit different from English, and you will understand very well what I mean once I show you this example. When it comes to the weather will be nice, in Japanese you would say 天気は良くなるでしょう。天気は良くなるでしょう。天気は means the weather. よく means nice. なる means becomes. Careful, it does not mean will become. I wrote it this way on purpose. And lastly, でしょう means I guess we agree. Again, でしょう is one of those words that has many approximate translations because there is no direct translation for でしょう in English. So if you have a better idea, please leave a comment below. In a nutshell, if you want to say the weather will be nice, you would literally sound like the weather becomes nice. I guess we agree. There are two important things that I want you to be aware of when it comes to using the future. The first thing is around naru, and the second thing is around でしょう. When it comes to naru, I want you to be aware of three important things. Firstly, there is no direct translation for will be, okay? There is simply none. This is how Japanese language works. Second, the closest approximation for will be is naru. That means becomes in the present tense. And third, there is no direct translation for will become either, okay? When it comes to でしょう, there are two important things I want you to be aware of. The first thing is related to culture. As you could see on the screen, でしょう means something like I guess we agree. And again, the future is one of the great examples where you could see how culture is embedded in the language. As you could see written there, seeking confirmation about things that are yet to come is key in Japanese culture. Japanese people tend to confirm their expectations when it comes to alluding to the future. And this is where でしょう comes into the play, because that's its exact role. でしょう is that sort of a confirmatory word that helps you subtly confirm your view with others. As I earlier said, でしょう has many translations. None of them would be a direct translation into English. If you have a better idea how you could approximate it, please feel free to leave a comment below. So again, to wrap it up, if you want to say the weather will be nice in Japanese, you would say 天気は良くなるでしょう. And you would sound the weather becomes nice. I guess we agree. Alright everyone, that wraps up this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something from it. In case you found value in it and you want to do me a favor, you know where you can find that subscribe button. And also, if you want to find more visual materials, you can check my Instagram called Japanese Visually. Have a great day.